Today we will see about the famous landmarks around the world. So, without delay, let's begin. Buckingham Palace, England. Buckingham Palace is the Queen's official and main royal London home. It has been the official London residence of Britain's monarchy since 1837. Queen Victoria was the first monarch to live there. Empire State Building, United States of America. Empire State Building, steel frame skyscraper rising 102 stories that was completed in New York City in 1931 and was the tallest building in the world until 1971. Sydney Harbour, Australia. The largest steel arch bridge in the world. The Sydney Harbour Bridge is an iconic landmark spanning one of the finest natural harbours known to mankind. You can walk and cycle across the bridge or climb to the top of the stunning views. Golden Gate Bridge, United States of America. The 1.7-mile long Golden Gate Bridge, an icon of the San Francisco Bay region, connects the city of San Francisco to Marin County, California. It is the longest main suspension bridge span in the world. Mount Rushmore, United States of America. Mount Rushmore is a famous mountain and memorial near Keystone, South Dakota in the United States. It has the heads of four of America's presidents carved on it: George Washington, Thomas Jefferson, Theodore Roosevelt, and Abraham Lincoln. The Mount Rushmore Memorial is a part of the United States Presidential Memorial, which covers 1,278.45 acres and is 1,745 meters above sea level. Leaning Tower of Pisa, Italy. The Leaning Tower of Pisa is the freestanding bell tower of the cathedral of the Italian city of Pisa, famous for its unintended tilt. The 56 meters tower took nearly 200 years to build. Work started in 1173. 5 years later, it started tilting. Pyramids of Giza, Egypt. The Great Pyramid of Giza, also known as the Pyramid of Khufu or the Pyramid of Cheops, is the oldest and largest of the pyramids in the Giza Pyramid Complex bordering present-day Giza in Greater Cairo, Egypt. It is the oldest of the seven wonders of the ancient world. London Bridge, England. London Bridge has spanned the River Thames between the City of London and Southwark in central London. The current crossing, which opened to traffic in 1973, is a box girder bridge built from concrete and steel. Eiffel Tower, France. The Eiffel Tower is a wrought iron lattice tower on the Champ de Mars in Paris, France. It is named after the engineer Gustave Eiffel, whose company designed and built the tower. The tower is 324 meters tall, about the same height as an 81-story building and the tallest structure in Paris. Easter Island, Chile. An isolated triangle measuring 14 miles long by 7 miles wide, Easter Island was formed by a series of volcanic eruptions. In addition to its hilly terrain, the island contains many subterranean caves with corridors that extend deep into mountains of volcanic rock. Burj Al Arab. It's also called as Burj Khalifa, Dubai. The Burj Al Arab Hotel or Tower of the Arabs is said to be world's only 7-star hotel and is presently the third tallest hotel in the world. Supported by a full cantilever that extends 27 meters from the side of the mosque, the hotel that can seat 110 guests and offers panoramic views over Dubai and beyond. St. Basil's Cathedral, Russia. The Cathedral of Vasily the Blessed, commonly known as St. Basil's Cathedral, is an Orthodox church in Red Square of Moscow and is one of the most popular cultural symbols of Russia. Great Buddha, Japan. The bronze Great Buddha of Kamakura dates back to the 13th century and is the second tallest bronze Buddha in Japan, also the country's largest outdoor Buddha. This statue is an iconic site and one of the most visited tourist attractions in the Kanto area. Blue Dome Church, Greece. The Blue Dome churches in Santorini are the famous of their classic psychedelic architecture and the sharp color contrast. Amidst the whitewashed walls, the deeply blue-colored domes offer a surprising pop. Statue of Liberty, United States of America. The Statue of Liberty is one of the most well-known and beloved monuments in America. It stands to welcome in immigrants to New York Harbor and to let people who are returning home know what they have reached America. It has become a lasting symbol of freedom throughout the world. The Statue of Liberty was given as a gift to the United States from France as a symbol of their friendship. Taj Mahal, India. The Taj Mahal is an ivory white marble museum on the southern bank of river Yamuna in the Indian city of Agra. It was built by Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan in memory of his wife Mumtaz Mahal, with construction starting in 1632 AD and completed in 1648 AD. Great Wall of China. The Great Wall of China became a UNESCO World Heritage Site in December 1987. The wall is the longest man made structure in the world with a total length of about 21,196.18 kilometers. Angkor Wat, Cambodia. It is one of the most important pilgrimage sites for Buddhists in Cambodia and around the world, and it has become a symbol of Cambodia, appearing on its national flag and is the country's main tourist attraction. Angkor Wat played a major role in converting Cambodia into a Buddhist nation.